trails today. They've got testing from like noon to 9 p.m. Billy will be out here soon. He got a little bit of a late start. Well, an early start, but he had more to do. My shit was already loaded up. So get it off the trailer. I'm planning on just trying to dial it in a little better to 1150. If I do that pretty well for a couple passes, I'm probably going to turn it up, try to short track it harder, and maybe bury it into the 10s today if we got enough time. So looking forward to that. Going to get her unloaded. Be ready to go. Wish me that. I just made my first pass as I was going up in the lanes. Billy got here. Luckily, oh man, I'm shaky. Luckily, he still got a spot next to us. But we're excited to test Billy's car because this will be our first time out. He installed the clutch slipper. It's a clutch tamer. He installed the clutch tamer last night, so wish us luck on that. Yep. This is our first time out since the shit show at Killcare where we had the wrong map and it melted the CO2 line. So that's all rectified. We're gonna mess with the clutch slipper and then probably send some logs back and forth to Steve. And maybe, hey Billy. Yeah, hey Billy. Yeah. What do you think about an 8-second pass before we leave? I don't know. We'll see. Uh-oh. Depending on how this shakes out, me and Billy will be going up against each other. Dude, when's the last time we've even been at the track with both of our cars?
It's been a long time.
Yeah.
Years.
I don't know that we've ever lined up next to each other.
We have.
Yeah, this will be a first. Hopefully it happens. Son, you know, I don't know what I put in it. I don't know. Yeah. Just stay in your lane. All right. Stay in your lane.
Same to you.
Yeah, I got my shit on fucking lock.
Man, he's gonna be out so much farther ahead. It doesn't matter if he's in his lane.
Oh, I'm so shaky. God damn it. I was hoping it'd run better than that, honestly, considering how much boost I put at it. 6.8 to the 8th. Hell yeah, that's awesome. Car number 118, make sure they, yep, all right, that's me. Woo, let's go. Apologize, guys, they're running 8 mile only. They had issues with the timing system. We've been under a huge delay, so no 9-second pass, but we're gonna see what we can do with the short track. Clutch slipper on. Got her in the groove. Running as a single. I got the case split. It's very apparent what happened. Metal shavings everywhere. What you're looking at right there is second gear. All right, yeah, there's supposed to be teeth on there. There's not. Bad news is that's the entire input shaft. Second gear is a part of the input shaft. Good news is I've got spare input shafts, so should be good to go. As long as I don't see anything else. But yeah. What about this? Is just a recap of everything you guys just watched. Once again, I'm not recording because I'm racing, so it's kind of hard to keep you guys in the loop while we're making passes and stuff. But as for my car, you saw the carnage. Stripped the teeth off second gear. It's already back together. I've test drove it. It's ready to go back to the track. Billy's car, we discovered something kind of by accident. He was working on bracing the Kirky because it wasn't braced to the roll bar yet. And while he was in there doing that, we noticed some signs that the chassis is twisting. Warfighter Fabrication, who built the cage, stated that he didn't need to run subframe connectors because it's a caged car. So he listened to him, and that was bad advice. Maybe if the cage was done properly, it wouldn't have started twisting up the chassis. Luckily, we caught it early. We're rectifying that now. We ended the day, like I said, or in another video, I said it was a good day for me. I had a lot of fun. I turned the car up and ended up running the 1040. Still probably going to shoot for a 9 in this car. Billy ran 9.9, and that was the first pass he made, and you saw him spin. The second pass where he did the big wheelie, and even a little bunny hop after that. We think the wheelie was caused by a couple issues. What'd you drop the tire pressure from and to?
15 to 14.
So he dropped PSI of the tire pressure, and we discovered, so all of the testing tunes we went to before that day, we were on a 4/10 Pro Tree, and that was our first testing tune practicing with the Sportsman's Tree. So he was on a 2-step longer, especially that pass, so it built more boost. Would you 14 pounds?
Yeah, I think the first pass was 14, and then the second was like 16.
Okay, he left on like 16 pounds of boost, which is a lot of fucking power. And we don't have everything figured out with the car. Maybe whenever we do have everything figured out, we will be leaving on that power, but it still needs a bunch of suspension changes, and we need to mess with that clutch slipper. So yeah, just sitting on a 2-step too long, making too much boost, dropping the tire pressure is what caused the wheelie. We haven't been onto the track in a while. We're trying to make sure he's not going to twist the chassis anymore. And I haven't been in a huge rush to get to the track. Just trying to save some money. But yeah, that's it for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you guys later.